Welcome to the second MMJ Industry Focus. How good is the Illawarra region going? There's been some statistics and certainly some reporting out in the last 3 months that indicate that at the moment the Illawarra region is travelling exceptionally well in terms of past history and in terms of how it lines up with the rest of Australia. Last 12 months has seen rises of 13% in the residential marketplace. That is second in the cities in Australia. Sydney leads away with about 15% and Wollongong has been above the other capital cities, including Brisbane and Melbourne. So an outstanding residential market conditions at the moment. This has been borne out by the MMJ market at our Kira estate. Over the last 12 months we've seen a 22% rise in the price of land in our Kira estate from stage 1 through to stage 3. In addition, an Iris media release has showed that trading conditions or business confidence in the Illawarra region has risen by 24%. Now that's at its highest rate since 2007, so there's a lot of confidence in the business sector of the marketplace in the Illawarra region. The Lord Mayor's commented on this, but the Illawarra has, this is an article in the Mercury in February that shows that the Illawarra has a higher than average national happiness rate. Now that's showing that we're all feeling pretty good about ourselves and things are travelling well in the region. It also shows the Property Council report that unless Council address something in the way of the way they deal with their applications and the speed at which land and particularly units can be released to the market, we currently have a shortfall in housing, something like about 50 to 60,000 we're short in meeting demand. If we don't address that, then in 10 years' time that could be up to 190,000. More significantly for Illawarra, we could be 14,000 homes short of meeting demand. So certainly the government, both state and local government, need to address those issues to ensure that we are keeping pace with the supply. Plenty of articles in the Mercury, if you look locally, that show that we are on the ball. House prices, achieving record prices at auctions, great conditions for selling this at the moment. As we said last month, we do predict that will cool a little bit. Those great conditions can't go on forever, but certainly with interest rates at historically low prices, employment now at a very reasonable level compared with the rest of the world, the market conditions are very good for that type of property. In regard to commercial, we have seen an uplift of demand into the marketplace for good leased investment property up to about $2 million. Again, it's the self-managed super funds that are driving investment into that region. So you find a good commercial property with nice tenants in a good location, very highly sought up to about $2 million. A lot of activity going on in the CBD at the moment of Wollongong, something like $750 million worth of development happening just at present. You've got all the majors who are participating in the Illawarra region at the moment. You've got GPT just completed their shopping centre, Stockland who've spent a lot of money in the region. You've got Lend-Lease with a significant development at Calderwood about to happen, and you've got Westfield, of course, with a significant presence. So that's a good lead-in for investors. They've got the confidence that if those people are investing hundreds of millions of dollars in Illawarra, then it's a good place to be. My name's Jeff Jones, and I'll see you next month with the next Industry Focus.